Hello everyone, this is Rahema Muhammad Ali from Rida Foundation, and we have a word on the mental health. It's okay to pause. It's okay to take a break from everyday life, from the cares of this life, and look back on your mental state and also invest in your mental health. It's okay to admit that indeed you are struggling, with the hope that you will get out of it one day. It's okay to seek help and guidance from your beloved ones, but please let go of the guilt and shame that is consuming you, so that you do whatever you are needed to do, that you are required to do, so that you find your way back to yourself. It doesn't mean you are a weak person. It doesn't mean you are a loser. It simply means you are a human, and it's okay to not be okay. Thank you.